Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve 1xBet authorization error. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, you go to your menu. Once in your menu, go to the right upmost corner to settings. Once in settings, go to your security settings. Then go to two-factor authentication. Once in two-factor authentication, you are going to protect your account with one of the two methods mentioned, either show QR code or install Google Authenticator. Once that is done, you are going to come back to the previous page, go to security question. Once in security question, choose a question. Here you see this list, you can choose a question and answer to it, and it will permit you to secure your account. That was all for this video.